To lock Google Keep Notes, follow these simple steps. First, open the Google Keep app on your device and sign in to your Google account if you have not already done so. Next, create a new note or open an existing one that you want to lock. Then, tap the 3 vertical dots at the bottom right corner of the note and select the Pin to Top option. If you want to keep the note at the top of your list, but this is optional. Now, to actually lock the note, you need to add a password or fingerprint protection to your device, as Google Keep does not have a built-in locking feature for individual notes. To add password or fingerprint protection to your device, go to your device settings and select Security or Lock Screen. Choose the screen lock type, such as pattern, PIN, or password, and follow the prompts to set it up. If your device has a fingerprint scanner, you can also set up fingerprint lock. After setting up the device lock, you can use a third-party app to create a private vault where you can store your sensitive Google Keep notes. You can download a note locking app from the App Store, install it, and follow the in-app instructions to create a private vault and add your Google Keep notes to it. Another option is to use Google Keep's built-in collaboration feature to share the note with a private Google account that only you have access to. This way, even if someone gains access to your device, they will not be able to view the locked note without the private account credentials. To do this, tap the share icon at the bottom left corner of the note. Enter the email address of your private Google account, and select the Send button. Then, sign in to your private Google account and access the shared note. This method does not provide foolproof security, but it adds an extra layer of protection to your sensitive notes. By following these steps and using a combination of device lock, third-party apps, and collaboration features, you can effectively lock your Google Keep notes and keep your sensitive information secure. Remember to always use strong passwords and keep your device and private accounts secure to prevent unauthorized access to your locked notes.